The design of the HNSF series primary film slitter rewinder is to improve the slitting quality of all films at high speeds. Based on a new principle, the rewind stations of the large roll slitter and rewinder are able to move independently on the same rewind beam, allowing our end user to wind with different core sizes on the same rewind beam. The rewind stations also move linearly away from the contact roller of the graphic foil slitter as the rewind diameter increase, which allows excellent finished roll profiles, both in tension and edge quality.